Monetizing a blog is a great way to supplement your income. It just requires a bit of creativity from your end and you are set. The 5 easy ways to monetize your blog are: 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing. You will include links to a product or service offered through another business's affiliate program. If one of your visitors clicks on that link and purchases the good or service, you'll receive a cut of the cost. 2. Google AdSense. You make money by displaying ads on your site using a program called Google AdSense. Earning through ads depends on your traffic and how many people are willing to click on your ads. 3. Online courses. If you're already teaching your visitors through your blog, why not create an exclusive learning opportunity by building a paid online course? Your audience will buy these courses and you will earn money. 4. Paid reviews. If you're generating a decent amount of traffic, you might be approached by a business looking to sponsor your site. Paid reviews are when the business sends you their product and pays you to write a review about it. 5. eBooks. Writing eBooks is a super popular way to start selling a unique product in your industry, and it is ideal for pretty much any niche. You can sell eBooks to the visitors of your blog. So these are the 5 easy ways to monetize your blog. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.